During autumn in Britain, they say, "Remember, remember, the 5th of November." But have you ever wondered why the British celebrate Bonfire Night every year? It all began over 400 years ago, in 1605, when a group of English Catholics plotted to blow up the Houses of Parliament. Their goal? To kill King James I and replace him with a Catholic monarch. It became known as the Gunpowder Plot. Among the conspirators was a soldier named Guy Fawkes, who was chosen to guard 36 barrels of gunpowder hidden in the cellars beneath Parliament. But before the plan could be carried out, an anonymous letter warned a Member of Parliament not to attend the opening on November 5th. A search was made, and Guy Fawkes was discovered in the cellar surrounded by explosives. He was arrested, tortured, and eventually executed, along with his fellow plotters. The failed plot shocked England, and Parliament declared that November 5th should be a day of thanksgiving for the King's survival. Over time, people began lighting bonfires to celebrate, often burning effigies of Guy Fawkes, known as the Guy. Fireworks became a symbol of the explosives that never detonated, a reminder of what could have been. Today, Bonfire Night is celebrated across the UK with fireworks, sparklers and burning effigies, though the political and religious meaning has faded. What remains is a night of light, history and warning that treason never prospers. So next time you hear that famous rhyme, remember, it's not just about fireworks. It's a story of rebellion, survival, and one man who almost changed British history forever. Follow 60-second knowledge now, because knowledge doesn't stop at 60 seconds.